Recording.
Alright, you turn your smartboard on by pressing this button right here. It takes a couple minutes for it to warm up. And then you'll click on the Smart Notebook icon and this will open up on your smartboard. And to calibrate it so that everything when you write and click on things, it clicks on the right spot. You just press the keyboard and the right mouse button at the same time. And then you just follow the little dots. And it'll recalibrate it so that you can pick up a color and write. And then click your mouse tool and you drag over it so that it highlights it. And then you can click Recognize as Stephanie and it'll change it to text. If you just want to type in text, you can press the keyboard and type in it. Now you have that, and then to make it bigger, you just click the button in the corner and we can rotate it either direction using that. Alright, next we are going to get an object. You can go up here and grab a shape or something. We'll do a square and then you just draw it anywhere on the board. And you can draw a couple of them and whatever, you can grab it. Star, make a star. And then you go back to your mouse clicker and you can click on the object, drag it around, and you can go to Properties, and you can fill it in and make it any color. You want to make it this one blue. These red or orange again. Green. Alright, now we're going to play with some object animation. So you can animate this object kind of, if you want to hide my name behind it, you just click on this and you go to Properties, Object Animation, and the type. We're going to have it fade out. See the calibration isn't working. Fade out when the object is touched. So when I touch it, it should fade out. Let's try that again. Properties, Object Animation, fade out. And the object is touched.
Go back to type.
Alright, so the calibration is off, so I'm going to recalibrate it again because it's really bad. I don't know why. Alright, let's see. When the object is touched, it'll do that. So you can see the name behind it. Or you can have it like now let's get some different multimedia images. You just click on this, and you can click on flags, pictures. You can drag objects in like that to get some interactive ones. Go up here to arts, music, interactive multimedia, and there's no sound on this computer. We tried it earlier, but if you want to go here, you can click on Properties, or click on Sound, and you can say if you want it to, when you press the image, the object, it'll create sound. So, I mean, it should make the sound of a guitar when we press it, but there's no speakers. And then you can also take and copy what you have. You go over here, you can add a page, and click on it, and you go to Edit, Paste, and you have your information in a new document. And if you want to infinitely clone something, you click on a little tab here, click Infinite Cloner, and you can just pull names from it without even having to go back and like recopy and paste it. So that's pretty cool. And I think that's pretty much everything. Recording.
So to turn on your smart board, you're going to touch this little green button right here at the bottom of the screen. And to calibrate it, what you do is press both the mouse and the keyboard button at the same time. And you're going to get this little screen, and you just follow the icons all the way across the screen. Let's get it ready. Okay, takes you back to your main page. You just take your marker, just write your name. Okay. And with this one, you could just highlight it and click Recognize Renee, and it'll take it to a bold text. You could take this and move it around, whatever. Let's get that back right. And this little button down here makes it bigger or smaller. Okay. Then we're going to take some objects. Press this little button up here, and you can pick whatever object you choose. Let's do, it doesn't matter, triangle. And put it in there. Make it big. Got some crazy ones going on here. But that's basically how you put your objects in. Then you can click on this. Get your little pointer. Come across your object. You're going to select it, and we're going to do properties. And this takes you over to all the effects you can do. We're going to do a solid fill with a color. Let's do purple. I'm not doing purple. Solid fill with purple. Yay, worked. I'm going to take that one out right here. Just delete that out. I'm going to hide this text with my little purple triangle that I made. Just click on it and move it up. I'm just going to adjust the name so it's hidden back there. Okay. Then you click on it, and you're going to do properties. And we're going to do object animation. And we're going to fade out. Fade out. And speed is going to be normal when the object is touched. Ready? So you touch it, and hi Renee. Okay, we are going to use the infinite cloner. So basically what you do is you get your little pointer, you come over, highlight it, click it, and we're going to do infinite cloner, and then you just drag it, and it makes it however many times you want. Go across, whatever. Okay, and then we are going to save some added items. So basically what you do is you highlight your object, and then we're going to copy this. We're going to go over to a new page. Not even working.
Touch the green button at the top with the... There you go.
Add to new page. And then you basically just go edit, and we're going to paste it. And there it is. Just do whatever you want to do with it as far as that goes. And with the multimedia objects, you're going to click on this little picture button over here in the corner. Gives you all this fun little stuff, and we're going to use Gallery Essentials. And we're going to do some arts. Let's go back. Arts. And we're going to do some interactive and multimedia images. And let's see what we can use here. You can use this little mouse on the side to go down, scroll down to see what you want to use. Let's see what we can find fun. Anybody like music? Let's use these drums and just slide them over. And You can add sounds. You click on the little side, press the sound button, and then you can browse it and then pick whatever sound it is that you need, and then press play on that object. But our screen doesn't have a speaker to it. But yeah, those are my instructions for smartboard.